My dear young boys and girls, the goalkeepers, the guardians of SDGs, the makers of climate, building a future of the choice you want. Welcome to this small little interaction we're going to have. I've been given 3 minutes, right? 3-4 minutes, you said.
Yes, Papa.
So I believe you've already understood what climate action is all about. What are the challenges? Why the temperature is rising? Why do we have hurricanes? Why do we have flash floods? Why do we have severe weather, hot weather? Why do we have severe rains? Why are coastal vanishing? Why is that life below land is also in a bad shape? Why life on land is in a bad shape? Why climate action has to be taken care of on priority basis, and who would take care of? None others but you, my dear beloved students, you the SDG warriors, you the change agents, you the children who are going to build a sustainable future, a future where the climate is as it was, where man has not disrupted the normal, the weather which was initially there. See, we say that the seasons are changing. We say, I don't know, मैं थोड़ी हिंट थोड़ा दूसरे लहजे में भी आ सकती हूँ. But again, we have all students, so I go back to the English, because we would say earlier winters were in December, but now January is the most coldest one. No, January was the coldest, but look, the seasons have moved. Along with the movement of the seasons, so many lives are vanishing. So many species are vanishing. All right, where they say it's threatened because glaciers are melting. All right, and talking about what can we think of, when it comes to climate action? How can we mitigate this change? I'm sure we can use renewable sources of energy. Why can't we harness the solar energy? Why can't we harness the wind energy? Why can't we harness the coastal energy? So many cities and countries are near the sea coast. So if we can make use of these energy and do away with the fossil fuels, which is responsible for carbon emission in the air, which in turn is responsible for global warming. Cities like Venice, where means of transport is boats. They are predicting, after some years it might vanish. What a beautiful city it is. I have just read about it. Facts and figures you need to check. Cities which are small islands, which are there, they might vanish. So we need to take care of these small islands. And only if SDG 4 talks about climate change, only if young boys and girls like you know what climate is all about, what climate change is all about, how can we stop this incorrect changes and how can we go for some positive changes? That is why quality education, SDG 4, needs to be emphasized. And then I believe we're talking about goal number 17. In this world, it's collaboration. In this world, it is cooperation. You want to find a vaccine? Please, COVID, how can we beat COVID? We collaborate. How can we beat climate change? We collaborate. Collaborate is what is the 21st century most important skill which is required. So boys and girls, young adults, please learn to collaborate. Nobody is above collaboration and nobody is above the country, above the world. Me, myself doesn't work in this world. It is we together. We are stronger together. We build tomorrow together today. But we do everything together. Children, you have a golden opportunity. Go, script a history which millions would read.
Yeah.
Meet this challenge of climate change. If Thunberg could do it, why can't we all do it? We need to do it. Why can't we have climate leaders, young boys and girls from Asia? You are the leaders, you are the leaders of tomorrow. I keep saying build the world. Future is the place where you want to spend the rest of your life. Can you not visualize a future of your choice? Can you not today to build a future which would be as you wanted? Can you not have cities which are much more greener? Can you not have buildings which are much more greener? Can we not have some vertical farming? Can we not have some green patches everywhere around? All right? Can we not take care of these greenhouse gases? The air conditioning, the refrigerator, they are emitting aerosols. And that is creating a hole. The ozone layer hole is there. All this needs to be thought of. They're all interconnected. And we, the humans, are responsible for this problem which all of us are facing today. We are dancing on the tunes of climate deterioration which is happening. We are not realizing. Big countries, the developed countries, feel it's not their fault, right? They need to go for the life the way they are living. We, the developing country, feels we have a right to use fossil fuels so that we can become developed countries along with all other sources of energy. We don't have other sources of energy to the extent. We've not developed it. So the developing country and the developed country need to understand what climate action is all about, and you need to make them understand. Go on the social media, talk about it, voice your opinion. You all can do it. You're wonderful boys and girls. You are the leaders of tomorrow. You have the power. You have the energy. You can write what you want. You can do what you want. Just collaborate. That's all. Just collaborate, work for this cause of climate, and I'm sure everything would be all right. The quality of life which we were living in the good old days, it's going down. Why? The rains, they're causing floods. Economy is lost. Our food is lost. Whatever food we store, that is lost. So many things happen because of this flooding. You know, we get so many diseases. Stomach upset for that reason. All this happens, and it's all because of the climate change. We are not prepared. Let us build sustainable cities. All right. See, one thing which we have learned from this difficult time, from this pandemic, is all about environment. We saw that there were people have started walking and cycling, and there are less number of cars. All right. So why can't we have this lifestyle? Why can't we adopt it? We can definitely adopt it. The air was so pure during this COVID time when there was lockdown. Can we not actually have the air so pure always as it was in the good old times which we read about? So, I think my time must be over, and that's all I can say. I can just wish you good luck. I can say let good wisdom prevail. God be with each one of you. May He help you to think the right, do the right, and act the right. And then fight this climate. And of course, partnership is important and collaboration is important. Students all over the world, be it India, Pakistan, America, Africa, New Zealand, Australia, anywhere, you are the future. Yeah. All right. So that's all I wanted to say, Bushra. I think
thank you so very much.
Done my bit, you know.